Hi, this is Carrie with Carrie Concealed in the Active Self-Protection Extra channel. And today we have a special guest, my new friend, Miss Sam from Wilderness Tactical. And I thought it'd be great if we asked her some questions about her company, and let's find out a little bit more about it. So join us in just a minute.
Today's episode is supported by DroneQuote, a veteran-owned business that's a champion for homeowners in the solar and roofing world. These guys are all about honesty, integrity, and doing what's right for the customer. They get you multiple quotes from top installers backed by a 30-year warranty. They even use drones to inspect your roof before and after installation to hold installers accountable. If you value straight answers and want an advocate on your side, don't go solar without DroneQuote, your dedicated homeowner advocates for solar installations nationwide. Hit the link in the description to find out more.
All right, welcome back. So, Miss Sam, tell us a little bit about yourself and about Wilderness Tactical.
Well, Wilderness Tactical was founded by my parents 43 years ago, and I started working with them about 22 years ago.
Okay.
And
Wow, 22 years?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't realize you've been with the company. That's amazing.
Yeah, yeah. And then it started out as rock climbing.
Okay.
And high-end backpacking. They carried, marmot sleeping bags and low backpacks and things like that. And then eventually he started making his own belt, which is our original instructor belt.
Okay, okay.
And
did he call it the instructor belt when he first started? Did he? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then it kind of evolved from there. He started sewing. Everything came from him first, and then he taught the staff, and that's just kind of how it evolved.
So you guys must have some gigantic industrial type sewing equipment.
Yeah, we have the industrial sewing machines, and that's really all that will go through these, except for when we do like the snoring shirts, which are the normal.
Yes. Let's talk about your shirt for a minute, if that's okay.
Yeah.
We've had some really cool shirts on since we've been at NRAM.
Yes.
And we've all enjoyed them, and everybody's commented on them. Would you tell us a little bit about them?
Yeah, the Sonoran shirts were my dad's. He loved Hawaiian shirts, but he didn't love the fact that they had one pocket, and he didn't love the tag in the back.
Yep.
So he decided to make his own shirt with the two pockets, and then there's these crazy organizers inside the pocket.
Oh, okay.
And the tags at the bottom, and my dad passed away about a month ago.
I'm so sorry.
So my cousin and I said we're wearing his shirts.
I love that.
Yep.
And these are straight out of your dad's
Straight out of the closet.
How special is that? Well, so we told us how it began. What would you say Wilderness, what are the top three things Wilderness Tactical is most known for?
Our durability.
Okay.
Yeah, durability, ruggedness, the fact that when you buy something from us, you don't need another one unless you want to change colors. And it's not a great business model.
Well, I was going to ask about that. But integrity is all a part of it.
That's right.
I have your ankle kit. I've had it for about 3.5 or 4 years now. What I think is interesting is I can't fit it under my pants. My legs aren't big enough, or my legs aren't big enough, the pant legs aren't. So I wear it whenever I'm teaching just over my pants. You can imagine the beating this takes.
Yeah.
I kid you not a single stitch is released on it.
Yeah.
It's dirty like you would not believe because all that dust.
Mm-hmm.
I throw it in the wash machine, take the stuff out of it, throw it in the wash machine. It looks brand new when it comes out. The Velcro on it, I mean, it takes so much force to get it apart.
Yeah.
It's mind-blowing, the quality of your products.
And and one thing that my dad always did too was he sourced the best material he could find. And then our material is more expensive. It's more, and because it's more durable.
Yeah.
And we're gonna sew it together so it doesn't come apart. And that was one of the things that he did. It's always like 3 stitches, bags get put together, sewn together twice, then taped. So
that makes total sense.
yeah,
now.
there's a lot of work that goes into it.
And you take care of all the shipping and all the stuff, the running the company. You're a part of all that.
Yes, they kind of gave it to me to run about a decade ago.
Okay.
And I am super important. I take out the trash, and when our staff needs lunch, I'll run and get it for them. And
you keep the company going. No, honestly, I mean, we're joking about it, but it's true. I mean, somebody has to be doing that, or they can't function.
Right, and I'm so proud of what they built, and
I'm so proud of you for keeping the legacy going.
Thank you.
So, what's a mission, vision, dream, or goal, would you say, of yours personally, or with Wilderness Tactical, maybe?
So I read that, and I should have thought about it.
That's all right. You can always come back to it, too.
Let's come back to that.
Let's come back to that.
Okay.
And it's fine if we skip that one, too. That's not a big deal at all. So what jumped? So actually, I was going to ask how long. I mean, maybe you don't know. About how long ago do you know when your dad started working with Mr. John in Aspen? How did you guys find out about each other?
Well, it was more John and I. So he had been using our stuff.
Yes, I knew that.
So he was a customer before we knew him.
Okay.
And then when he came in, we started talking, and that was.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
That. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So it's you and Mr. John that
It
connected.
was me and Mr. John.
Okay.
But Ralph really liked John and really liked to give him a hard time about stuff. So, and I know that he has been hiking with
Yes.
the family before and stuff. So it was.
Good
Yeah,
stuff. So it's been a long time. I don't know, what, 5,
It's-
6, 7 years even?
Yeah, it's probably closer to.
Actually, it might even be closer to 10
Yeah.
now that I think about it, because, yeah, I mean, I know before it was even a channel, Mr. John was using his stuff.
Right.
So, yeah,
Right.
that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. What jumps out about you, or what jumps out to you about ASP or working with active self-protection? Maybe active self-protection customers or whatever.
Well, you know what? There's always somebody that comes by and wants to know, like, do you know him? Like, so you know John? I'm like, yeah.
I happen
he's
to
a
know
nice
him.
man. He is a nice man. So I people like him, and they trust what he's saying, and I think that's awesome. Yeah,
And we trust you and your products.
Yeah,
I mean, that's
thank
the
you.
thing. I think it's a perfect relationship, honestly.
yeah.
The quality of your products, I never have to qualify. When somebody says, oh, what is that? I don't have to say, oh, well, it's this, but hang on a minute.
Yeah.
I don't. I can say exactly what it is. I let them take pictures of it.
Yep. Yep.
So it's...
Yep. There's nothing. We're not hiding anything. So yeah.
All right. Is there anything exciting about to happen with Wilderness Tactical that you can tell us about, or anything you're excited about? Whether it's a new material or a new...
You know what? We are heading in 2 more directions, hunting and canine. So keep an eye out for that.
Really?
Yeah.
That's exciting to hear.
Yep.
Heck
They're
yes, we'll
natural.
keep an eye
They're a
out for it.
natural partnership. So I'm.
Oh, I
yeah,
agree.
Yeah.
That'll be kind of like one-stop shopping for a lot of people.
I would hope so.
Absolutely. Well, is there anything in particular that you'd like to show us today on camera? Not that I expect you to, but is there anything in particular? Oh, wait, what? I didn't know
That's
about
the
this.
Renegade ankle holster.
I didn't know about the cushy behind.
Yeah. Well, that's for the holsters.
Right.
Yeah. So it doesn't
Yes.
doesn't
That's
bust up your leg.
genius.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good stuff. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time today, Miss Sam. I appreciate it, and I
thank
appreciate your
you.
company. I'm proud of the work you
I-
guys do, and appreciate
I-
you in this space.
Yeah. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Come back next time.